I pre-ordered my Samsung Galaxy Buds3 Pro back in July when they were freshly released. Exciting stuff, right? Now here's a twist. The original delivery date was supposed to be at the end of July, but it got delayed until late in August. Samsung did not spill the beans on the exact reason behind the delay, but rumor has it that there were some quality concerns. Fast forward nearly a month, and guess what? My Buds 3 Pro finally arrived. Here's what I found. Alongside the Buds 3 Pro, there was a free 25 watts power adapter included. Now let's be real, the adapter isn't exactly a game changer. Personally, I'm rocking the Green Nexo Pro 65 watt ultra slim fast charger for all my gadget, laptop, S24 Ultra, and of course the Buds 3 Pro. If you're curious about that charger, stay tuned. I've got another video on it with a link at the end of this video. But wait, there's more. The Buds Pro package also came with a clip case. Now, this case is like a snug hug for the Buds 3 Pro. You got to press hard to get Buds case in there. And once they are nestled inside, it's like they are saying, we're not going anywhere. To free them, I've got to do a little Buds 3 Pro cover versus clip case cover wrestling match. It's all in good fun though. Now let's talk pairing. It's as straightforward as a well-written instruction manual. Turn on my trusty S24 Ultra, pop open the Buds 3 Pro case, green light starts blinking, and a pop-up window appears announcing Galaxy Buds 3 Pro found. Click connect and voila. A few seconds later, we're in business.